Hey guys, today I'm excited to share with y'all about the land management division of our company. And we're going to show you the newest addition to our fleet, which is this skid steer. The subject property we're going to be clearing is a 6.5 acre residential lot that a client wants to build on. And most of the trees and brush you're seeing here are going to be mulched, with the exception of a few of the larger ash trees that we're leaving for aesthetic purposes. Now this machine has a variety of attachments, but today we're going to showcase the mulching head specifically. So the mulching head works with a 2-chamber cutting system. On the first pass, the tree's cut, and on the second pass, it's mulched into finer pieces which can either be disked in easily or left to break down organically. So far, the primary use of this machine has been forestry mulching, which includes food plot development, conversions, road expansion, and habitat creation. With just 2 passes, you can have a clean slate to plant your food plot. Of course, it can be used for residential applications as well. This is a handy machine with a plethora of attachments. It's quick, capable, and fun to operate. If you're interested in the land management aspect of our company, give us a call at 601-442-2286. You can stick around to see the before and after of this property.